Guys, in this video, you're going to see some exceptional video footage out of Cape Town, South Africa, also out of Manchester, United Kingdom, of mysterious objects in the day and early morning skies. Stick around. This gets really interesting. Okay, guys, let's get right to it. Welcome back to another video of the mysterious and unknown. We're going to start off up here in Manchester, United Kingdom. Video footage sent in by AMG on YouTube. Shared this video footage with me today. In fact, both of the videos you're about to see, I just received within the last 24 hours. Starting off in Manchester, United Kingdom, AMG, May 2025. Here we go. He was filming the daytime sky when he saw an airplane off in the distance. Check this out as we zoom in closer, and then we're going to go in even closer than what we see right now. You see what appears to be a commercial airplane being chased by a black unknown object. Are you serious right now? If we could get within 100 feet of the airplane, this is probably what we would see, something like that right there. But we're going to go in as close as we can. Keep in mind, he was several thousand feet away from the action. He zoomed in, and then I zoomed in even closer. Check that out. Talk about mysterious. That's literally a UFO chasing a commercial airplane through the daytime sky. Now we're going to zoom in even closer, as I mentioned. Here we go. Let me pause it right there. This isn't an airplane. This doesn't have wings. This looks like a solid black object within just a couple of 100 feet of that commercial aircraft. Are you serious right now? You can't make this stuff up. What an excellent observation, once again, by AMG out of Manchester, United Kingdom. Seriously, what is going on in the skies above the earth? Okay, let me pause it right here, go in for another look. And again, it was just far enough away to where we couldn't make out any type of details, even if there were any to make out. Here I modified a couple of segments of the video. All I did was adjust the lighting and color. I was indeed trying to pull forward any possible features, and there didn't appear to be any. This thing appeared to be some sort of a round craft with no wings. How it was moving, your guess is as good as mine. More than likely some sort of an anti-gravity type of a craft, but at times you can see what looks like something coming out the backside of this craft. Right there was a pretty decent view of it up close. That was about as close as I could get without becoming too overly pixelated. I don't know if those lines that we see through the center are a side effect of pixelation or if that was actually on the craft itself. But as you can see, it was a solid black craft, had no wings, had no tail fin. Going from Manchester, United Kingdom, down to Cape Town, South Africa. This video was taken this morning by Desiree R. 5/14 of 2025. Check this out. This is the original vertical video in original format. I haven't done anything to this video, but what we're going to do is zoom in super close, and you guys are going to see what looks like a bright white triangle in the sky this morning with some sort of an energy field around it. Check that out. Perfect triangle in the early morning sky. Visible from Cape Town, South Africa by Desiree. What an incredible catch. These are just different formats. Light is dark, dark is light. Here's another one. Light is dark, dark is light. And you can clearly see what looked like a triangle craft in the early morning sky above Cape Town, South Africa. Great job, guys. Excellent videos. Keep them coming. If you guys have any photos or videos you'd like to share, you can send those to reports at MrMBB333.com. If you guys have any videos you'd like to share that are too large to attach to the email, come over here to the homepage of the website. Look for this red tab that says, have a large video. It's a Dropbox. Drag and drop your videos into the Dropbox. Please include your first name, date, and location, and I'll take it from there. Thanks for watching. Have a super day, and be safe out there.